Have you ever seen a fish that prefers walking instead of swimming? Embark on a journey into the intriguing world of the sea robin. These somewhat weird-looking creatures count to the family of bottom-feeding fish. They are distributed in temperate and tropical seas worldwide. Picture encountering a creature with the most extraordinary talent, the ability to walk along the ocean floor, achieved through modified pelvic fins that seem more like legs than traditional fins. This remarkable adaptation sets sea robins apart, with their specialized muscle and perfectly adapted anatomy, enabling this unique skill. Furthermore, it's used for prey detection. Their wing-like pectoral fins further add to their enchanting appearance, giving them an almost ethereal quality as they gracefully glide through the water. Yet, the sea robin has more surprises in store. When brought to the surface, they unleash an intriguing croaking sound, earning them the moniker Gurnard. These fish serve as living proof of the endless marvels that dwell in the depths of our oceans.